Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll introduce you to our Zilax widget brought to you by the Pixel Gallery add-on. Let's drag and drop the widget inside the editor page. Here you can see the default widget appearance, which displays your images in a grid layout with a hover animation that triggers an effect that uplifts the image a bit, and a content area appears below the image. The content area shows the title, meta, and publish date. The first field is the option tab where you can select the number of grid lines for the widget's content area. You can use the row gap and column gap scroll bars to adjust the white space between the grid items. The item height scroll bar is there for customizing the item height for the whole grid. In any case, you can switch to masonry grid layout by turning on this switcher here. Then there are three switchers to show or hide the title, meta, and date from the images. Below, you can change the image size to adjust their resolution. The link option here is for selecting the arrangement for media links or custom links for the grid, which we can add individually to each item in the next section. Selecting media file for the link with default lightbox and link target as a button. You can see the link button popping up when you hover over the gallery this time. Moving on to the item section, by default there are 6 items listed here. You can add more by simply clicking on the add item buttons like this. Opening the first item box, you will see options for inserting an image, title, meta, date, and a custom link. Let's pick our image and then check it out live. After that, you can go for the meta and date. The grid subsection is where you will get to change the particular item dimension. Let's adjust the height a bit. Now go to the second item and replace the image and then the title. After that, go into the grid settings and change the row span to occupy 2 item slots vertically. Then adjust the height to match the space. Then move to the third item and change the image first. Then the title. And then set its height to 400 in order to match the first item's height. Now for the fourth item, let's change the image and title. Then go to the grid subsection and change the row span to 2. Now we can adjust the height to make it even bigger than the previous. After that, let's go to the fifth item and change the image and title. Do the same for the rest 2 items as well. At this, you'll get a nice looking unique grid gallery layout ready to make changes to your website. But this doesn't stop here. We can now customize the interface further using the Style tab settings. Click on the tab and then you can go to the content section to customize the background color. See how it got changed now. For the titles, we can go full white. Then click on the link icon on the padding field to ungroup the values and put 30 in the top field. Same for the margin, just put 50 in the bottom field. Check that out. Now we can change the font style from the typography option to something more suitable and cozy. Then go to the read more section and change the background color to the same as the content area. Then place a solid border around the button wrapped in white color. Also, the font color should be white too. Check now, it's look fitting. With that, we have created an elegant looking image gallery in just a few minutes using the Zilax gallery widget. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get more videos like this. See you next time.